Section titles are a typographic decoration element. They are displayed edgewise on the left or right border of a section. You can set the section title in the Content tab. Mind that they do not replace the actual content headings. Once you've set the section title, you can choose its position, rotation, and breakpoint in the Settings tab. Here you can define the title position within the section, rotate the title 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise, and choose the title breakpoint. So display the section title only on this device with enlarger. This may be necessary if the title overlays content on small viewports.